Hi students, in this video we'll discuss designing a context-free grammar. While designing a context-free grammar, there are some rules to be followed. The first rule is, if the language has the property that the strings can be generated with two regions, and if there is some relationship between these two regions, I can generate the string in tandem. Right, relationship in the sense like both the regions, the length of your string is same, something like that, some relationship between the two regions. Right, so if I want to generate the string with multiple regions and there is no relationship, I can generate the string like this. Or if I want to generate a string with only two regions and there is some relationship with each other between these two regions, I should generate the string from outside to inside. Right? This rules, when I do the sum, it will be more clear. Right? So if the language has the property that the string can be generated with two regions and there is a relationship between both the regions, how should I generate the string from outside to inside? Hope the rule is clear. Right, we'll see the sum. So I have to design a context-free grammar and the language is given a,n, b,n, cm, n, m greater than or equal to 0 and let g is equal to, this is your grammar, b terminal, rules of productions and it is start symbol. Now I have to generate context-free grammar for this language. As I told, if your language has the property that the strings can be generated with two regions and there is some relationship between the two regions, something like length of both the regions is same, how I can generate? I can generate the string from outside to inside. You check this two regions. One region will generate A, another region will generate B. And there is some relationship between both the regions, A and B. So length of A and B is equal. Length of A and B is equal. Right? So I can generate, how I can generate from outside to inside. And you know, in the grammar itself it is given S is your start symbol. So S tends to, I am writing all the productions or rules. Designing your context-free grammar means you are supposed to write all the corresponding rules. Right? Yes tends to, because you have to start your productions with your start symbol. So yes tends to, right? You check here, how many non-terminals are there? Only 3. Right? Or non-terminals, it is uppercase letter. S, N and C. So yes tends to, I write as N, C. Two regions. S tends to N, C. Two regions. Okay. So with these two regions, what should I generate? I should derive A and B. Right? So, how will I write my next thing? N tends to, how I wrote this first production? S tends to NC. S is your start symbol. I have two more non-terminals. I use this two non-terminals here. So this N I use for generating this A and B. Both the length are same. A length and B length is same. This C I use to generate this C. Right? So next I will write what could be this non-terminal capital N. What could be this non-terminal capital N? So N, as I told, you should generate from outside to inside. Outside to inside. So it is A, B. Outside to inside. Right? Because every time you will be replacing your non-terminal. To generate your string, to generate set of non-terminals, every time you will be replacing your non-terminal. To generate string, you will be replacing non-terminal. Right? Next, how to stop this? N tends to epsilon. I will include one epsilon production. Now I have to write what could be this C. C tends to, I should generate C, right? I should generate symbol C. So C, capital C. How to stop this? C tends to, capital C tends to epsilon. So these are your predictions. Right? So this is the grammar we got, students. And I'll take an example. I'll solve how we can derive a string using this grammar. Right? Using this grammar, how we can derive the string. I'll solve it. You know the language, both A and B N. So length of A and B is equal. Suppose if I want to generate like suppose if I want to generate the string, right? This string if I want to generate, how I can use these rules. We'll see it. I start with my start prediction is tends to NC. Right, I'll go with my leftmost prediction, leftmost derivation only. Right, so here leftmost non-terminal. In leftmost derivation, I have to replace my leftmost non-terminal first. So I'll replace this. Right. So N it is A N B. Right. So in the place of this N, I write A N B, and this is capital C. Right. Check here how many A's I need? 2A, 2B. Right. So I have to use this N production one more time with this option. Right. A. Again I use this N. A, N, B. So it is A, N, B. Already I have one more B. Now this is C. Right. So in my string, what do I need? I need 2A, 2B. I need 2A, 2B. Right. Again I have this N. So for N I have two predictions. Now I don't want further A and N. So I have to stop generating this A and N. So I am using this epsilon. Right. A. So epsilon is epsilon B, B, C. Right. You know epsilon concatenated with any symbol, it is that symbol only. So it is A, B, B. Now how many C I need? I need only one C. Right. So this C I replace with this prediction small c, capital C, small c, capital C. Right. A, B, B, C. Now what I do with this capital C? Use this epsilon prediction because I need only one C. Right, into C, epsilon, which is nothing but A, B, B, small c. Hope you understood it. Students will discuss this sum. Students will discuss one more sum. Design a CFG, language is given, and they have given grammar also. Right. So when they give the grammar, we know how many terminals are there, how many non-terminals are there, and what should be the start symbol notation. Start symbol notation is R, and how many terminals are here, A and B, and how many non-terminals? I have two non-terminals. So all this I should use while writing my grammar. Right, so I start with my start symbol, S tends to, right? In designing context-free grammar, first I have to check the language. Right, two regions are there and there is some relationship in this region. What is the relationship? Length of A and B is equal. Right, length of A and B is equal. In that case, how I can generate the string? From outside to inside I can generate the string. So in the start symbol, I specify two regions. First non-terminal given is M, I use M. No other non-terminal, so I use S only. Right? So next is, what could be this M? I should write what is M. For every non-terminal, there should be some production. Right? You should write the productions. What is M? This M I use for generating this A and B. How I can generate? From outside to inside. So it is, I write A, B, where I write this M? Here. And to stop this, m tends to epsilon. Right? Now what about this s? Right? If I want to stop that s, it is s tends to epsilon. Right? So this is your final graph. Thank you.